And now let's meet the players first for the AFP Cavaliers. 00 Captain Paul Yamamoto. Number 6, Lieutenant Colonel Israel Eliosida. Number 9, Colonel Leo Kaduyak. Number 10, Lieutenant Colonel Edwin Barsha. Number 16, Colonel Roberto Bietosila. Number 18, Colonel Jagger Guerrero. Number 20, Colonel Ramon Gurat. Number 21, Larry Necesito. Number 23, Lieutenant General Charles Gerlan. Number 24, Commander Ramil Densing. Number 28, Colonel Nathaniel Mendez. Number 55, Colonel Alan Tomas. Number 92, Colonel Buboy Zaragoza. Number 94, Colonel Gino Ginolbay. Number 95, Captain Ramilio Trinidad. Number 96, Colonel Joma Homalesa. Number 97, Captain Dom Tulen. And number 99, Colonel Tic Tac Leones. Head coach for the AFP Cavaliers is Sergeant Jeffrey Kiambao. And now let's meet the players for the OP Executives. Number 1, Joseph Lo. Number 4, Reynold Munsayak. Number 7, Chicoy Alvarez. Number 9, Yusek Sam Young. Number 10, Attorney Azek Montaño Nazaro Jr. Number 11, Attorney Baid Reyes. Number 13, Attorney Carlo Paulino. Number 14, Hector Melencio. Number 15, Attorney Eric Luz. Number 18, Mark Lapid. Number 19, Yusek BJ Palatao. Number 22, Asek MJ Bayang. Number 28, Asek Jomar Canlas. Number 33, Dr. Pedro Concha. Number 37, Attorney Gino Ramos. Number 87, Attorney Glenn Ocampo. And number 92, Brian Gabriel. Head coach for the OP Executives is Kasim Mirza. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the starters for both teams, starting with the AFP Cavaliers. At guard number 24, Commander Ramil Densing. The other guard, number 96, Colonel Joma Homalesa. At forward, number 6, Lieutenant Colonel Israel Eliosida. At forward, number 94, Colonel Gino Ginolbay. And at center, number 21, Larry Necesito. Head coach for the Cavaliers is Sergeant Jeffrey Kiambao. And now, please meet the starters for the OP Executives. At guard number 28, Asek Jomar Canlas. The other guard, number 87, Attorney Glenn Ocampo. At forward number 9, Yusek Sam Young. The other forward, number 37, Attorney Chino Ramos. And at center, number 7, Chicoy Alvarez. Head coach for the OP Executives is Kasim Mirza. Our officials for this game, Ruel Tolentino, Edric Chico, and John Akla.
And just about ready to put the ball into play. Napakawalang silbi namin dalawa rito. Puro kernel. Puro
Bakit
ASEC,
mo naman nasabi, sir?
puro ASEC, puro USEC, puro abogado, puro coronel. Hirap ng buhay ni Jeffrey Kiambao kasi siya sergeant. Pero siya mas maraming muscle kesa sa kanilang lahat. Pwedeng mag-gymnastics si Jeffrey Kiambao.
Aba, rhythmic, sir?
Pommel horse.
Pommel horse.
Yes.
Balance beam.
Hindi, pambabae lang yun eh. Si Rina pwede. Sandali Rina, ha? Jump ball muna. Rina, go.
Yes, one of the biggest challenge of the OP executives right now, especially when it comes to their team manager, Brian Gabriel, is putting this together, the executives players, under the umbrella of the Office of the President, coming from different offices. Alam mo, they have a different situation right now. Unlike the other agencies that we have here, all the executives works under one building or under one roof. Pero itong kupunan ng OP executives, they're all coming from different offices. Like they have players coming from PNOC, from PAGCOR, they have from PMS, and other offices as well. Kaya nga sabi nila kahit daw may mga ensayo sila scheduled at the DBM Gymnasium 3 times a week, halos hindi daw talaga nakukumpleto sa kanilang ensayo. So only 1 or 2 players would come to the practices. And going into this ball game, no, they are expecting na babawian sila dito ng kupunan ng AFP executives rather dahil tinalo na nila ito by 2 points on a crucial game last season. They will keep an eye on their former teammate here, Paul Anthony Yamamoto, who has always been a threat to the team, but it seems like, you know, wala siya ngayon sa larong ito, so it will not be a threat to the OPPMS team anymore because Captain Paul Anthony Yamamoto is on a conference right now out of town. Sir Seb, back to you.
Si Paul Yamamoto siguro ang pinaka, and I say it in a positive sense,
Yes.
pinakamaraming binyahe na executive na nakilala natin dito. Kasi di ba, in close insecurity si dati ni Presidente
So
Aquino.
pareho ng mileage, sir, you're saying?
And another responsibilities. Our ball game, ang score, 4-0 na. At ang AFP, mukhang mas loaded ang AFP. Ano? Parang kulang-kulang ang kupunan ng parang UP itong kinocover natin.
Yung uniform, ano,
Diba?
sir?
Parang Universidad ng Pilipinas, parang nakasulat Office of the President.
Wala si Atty. Bayang. Actually, yung dalawang nag-player of the game,
Wala.
sa kanilang mga unang panalo ay pareho.
Wala.
Oh.
Pero andyan pa rin si Sergio Malesa. No? Siya ang spearhead nitong grupong to actually. Ito si Chugoy. He's a good rebounder. Ramos penetrates. Hirap. Against 2. Against 3. Against nobody. No basket. And there's a foul downstairs. Dami ko sinabi, no? Walang na-shoot.
No field goals in the first 2 minutes para sa OP. 4 points meanwhile para naman sa AFP. Lahat coming in the restricted zone.
Ito naman ang challenge ng yung kinikwento ni Reyna. Inbound, there's a foul on number 6. In the meantime, ito yung sinasabi natin na challenge UNTV League, Getting teams to practice, kahit sa volleyball, it's also a problem. But those that make do usually turn out for the better. That shot won't work. Oy, may hawi. Counted for Chicoy.
A double-double machine in scoring and rebounding has continued to anchor this excellent team in the last few years at least para sa Office of the President.
Pinakawalan, ayaw pumasok yung tira na yon ni Ruben Ginolbay. Ito, may mga bago silang names. Puro coronel,
Tama yan, sir. Andiyan pa si Colonel Parsha. Andiyan pa si Gubat. Mga kumamada at
Ang
nagpanalo sa
pinakamataas,
AFP.
ang pinakamataas, yung Lieutenant General ba yung nakita ko?
Second in command dyan, sir.
Oo. Lieutenant, no?
Yan ang binibida kanina ni Jay
Yun,
Torres.
Lieutenant General.
Tama, sir.
Ano yung score? 4-2, 6-2.
6-2 na po yan, sir. Again, all the baskets of AFP have come from within point-blank range. Another layup given up here by OP. Hirap, pilay na pilay. Maraming wala sa kanila.
Ito mo yung bench nila, 4-5. Pero that pass goes astray. Alam mo naman, you know this, pag hindi nakakapag-ensayo yung mga team, chemistry, fluidity, rhythm, maraming bagay. Don't get into coordination. And
Force of nature, sir.
what do you mean?
Force majeure. Binagyo tayo.
Naman.
So, dumami yung trabaho dahil weekday yun, sir, So, nagpatong.
Across Luzon, across Metro Manila, certain areas of the
Grabe, sir.
South.
Grabe. Saka talagang direct hit ang Metropolis.
There's a steal that time by Ginolbay, and the ball will go the other way. Rina, go ahead, please.
Yes, kanina nyo pa pinag-uusapan itong typhoon last week, no? It's one of the reasons kaya hindi rin nakapag-ensayo ang kupunan ng AFP executives dahil naging busy sila with Typhoon Karina dun sa kanilang mga search and rescue, and of course, the executives naka-monitor lahat dun sa mangyayari for that situation. Kaya nga sabi nila, they're going into this ball game na lahat sila pagod from their duties since last week. And speaking of, wala nga dito si Paul Anthony Yamamoto. For the AFP team now, they will be banking on the help of Larry Necesito, who used to play for Liga Pilipinas. As per Winston Serio, he is also a slight version of Yamamoto, whose basketball skills are unparalleled. Aside from him, they also have Colonel Nathaniel Mendez, who is also a known shooter for the team. Meanwhile, kung mapapansin nyo rin dun sa kanilang coaching staff, we have a familiar face there. Ito namang si Ryan Das Javier, who used to play for the OP team. And we last saw him in action in the year 2019, no? Kasi dati nagtatrabaho pa siya for the Air Force Special Special Services Group, kaya sa Malacanang pa siya naglalaro. But for the meantime daw, ang task niya is to be able to help the basketball team of the AFP. He's looking forward also to be able to play dun sa regular season natin with the AFP team starting this, or next season rather. Sir 7, Coach Ronnie.
Lahat ng tao, gumalaw na sa mundo. Tayong tatlo. Eto, andito lang. Sa sports and charity ng UNTV. Si Direct Dick, ganun din. Tayo ang mga lumang tao dito. Magbabalik po ang inyong executive face-off.
Sir, gawin natin kayo mag-pick and roll kasi kayo yung may shooting.
Ako na.
Sir, pagkakuha ni Yusek BJ lagi dito, pick and roll na natin agad dito. Atakin nyo si Yusek BJ, tapos sisil na si Sir Chikoy dito. Tapos si Sir Yang dito, pa-pop out na lang siya dito. Pero laging may corner tayo shooter kay Sir Ocampo lagi, ha? 2-3 lang tayo, walang shooting. Walang shooting yung mga kanong.
Handa na magtuloy ang ating laro. 8-5 ang ating bilang. Lamang ang kupunan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines Cavaliers. Ang natitirang oras, 5:27 dito sa ating first quarter of play. Kanina, si Palataw ay tumira ng 3. So, nabawasan ng konti ang lamang. Pero ito, tumatakbo ang AFP. Hindi lang pumasok yung dayap. Ang bola mananatili sa AFP.
Patuloy ng mga manlalaro mula sa team ng AFP. Makikita mo maliliksid. This is a far cry based on what I saw of them, sir. Yung sa unang laro nila, that happened last July 10. So they had about 18 days to prepare and it has shown na mas larong-laro na sila. In better shape no doubt.
Baka naman sumama na sila sa mga tauhan nilang tumatakbo sa loob ng Aguinaldo. Samantala, libre. May tira talaga to si Palataw. He has 5 points.
Also, mainstay of this roster. May mga nagbalik at may mga ilang bago. At sa aking nakikita rito, hindi sila lumang tao katulad natin sa
wala na. Pati yung floor director natin dito, luma na.
Mga veterano ang lalaro.
Walang kakwenta-kwentang grupo talaga to. Ano to, tawa lang ng tawa. TikTok pa ng TikTok. Kain pa ng kain. Magsusuot nga ako ng t-shirt dito, kumain na ako. Penetration inside. Oh, better play now. And look at this. The OP executives now have the lead, 9-8. I thought so. Omalesa, no whistle. We play on. The shot is overcooked. Down the baseline. Oh, block shot that time, and it's saved from going out. We have a run, a fast break 2-on-1. Ramos wants to go all the way. Misses the attempt, however. Ginolbay. Omalesa considered it. Back to Ginolbay. Block!
Oh, wow.
That's the second block already by Sam Young. But, yung mga ganong pasa, kita na naglalaro tayo rito. Nung araw, kaya mapulong. Nung araw.
Sir, ang may sala yung bola.
Nung araw, kaya mapulong. Masama yung pasa.
Masyadong mabilis yung spin, sir. Tama yung pasa, pero masyadong mabilis yung backspin.
Yung panahon. Kaya hindi na inaabutan.
Sir naman eh.
Ikaw nagturo sa akin na puro likod ang nakikita.
You're making it rain.
Making it true. Outside, Omalesa. It will not work. And the rebound ba? OPR, masipag. Nawala lang ang bola, but they will get to keep it. Pero Ronnie, ito madalas mong sabihin. Tinitingnan mo yan sa batay sa kanilang uniforme. Pagdating ng end of tournament, maluwag ng lahat yan.
Tama, sir, si Yang lumuwag na agad eh. Wala lang mo nakita ko, sir, noong July 10, na iba na agad.
Anong araw na ngayon? 31 na ngayon eh.
Sir, wala pa naman.
July 31 na ngayon.
Wala pa. 30 plus 1. Yeah.
31 yan.
Correct, sir.
July
21
31.
days, 3 weeks na yun.
Samantala, may substitution ng AFP. Papasok si Ramon Gurat. Si G. Gurat, who is a colonel. Libre, gandang inbound play. Hindi lang pumasok ang tira. The ball will be retained by the men in maroon. The inbound. Alvarez, short pass. Turn around. No, but we'll have free throws coming up. And the designated hitter is Sam Young. Young knocks in the first free throw. Team foul story. AFP has all of the team fouls thus far with 3. Wala pa ang kupunan ng OP. And OP already in the lead by 3. 11-8.
Pumihit na, sir. Naka-recover na. Better defense. Young conspiring with Alvarez to protect the inside. And that is the trigger for Colonel Parsha to knock in the first dribble of the this match. Kasi rin kinukwento ko, si Colonel Parsha ang tumulong sa amin sa Campaginaldo na maka-insay yung national team.
Ang 3x3.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
At ngayon ko lang nalaman, noong July 10 na naglaro sila, na matulin pala, sir. At larong-laro. One of the best backcourt defenders dahil sila ni Gubat yung pumressure sa mga kalaban kaya nabura nila yung kalamangan ng kanilang tinalo dun sa kanilang unang panalo. Ang team, of course, ng DOJ. This is also a very good team.
Alam mo, kadalasan pag colonel ka, you're head of a camp.
Talaga, sir?
Somewhere in the provinces. Lalo na, let's say, army ka. You are in charge of a certain camp.
Ayan, yan, sir. Yan silang dalawa ni Gubat.
Yan. Mukhang may mga pakpak sa paa.
Gurat, I mean.
Ocampo.
Nakakagulat talaga.
Oo nga. Here comes Young. 10-footer. Ayaw. And the clock is down to 2 minutes and 5.
You like the stop and pop. Just couldn't get it to drop down. Ito, sir. Veterano na to. A nice move by Gurat.
Look at that. Behind the back. What a pass.
Bakit hindi, sir? Sa gitna ng mainit na Paris Olympics.
Thomas makes it a 2-point lead and it's
Colonel din pa si Thomas, sir?
Thomas, Colonel. Lahat sila Colonel.
Tayo, sir?
Wala. Private.
Tayo, sir. Colonel Fried Chicken.
Private lang tayo. Kamote. Here's Young. Private kamote.
Serena, hindi tumatawa, sir.
Wala sa mood yan. Wala sa mood yan.
Tubo.
Wala yan. Alam ko pag nasa mood yan.
Bakit, sir?
Naantok yan. Meantime. Down the baseline. Libre. Pasok to. Ay, ganda ng pagkakasirkel ng tira for Dominic Tuller.
Pag nakatakbong AFP6. Go ahead, sir.
Sabihin ko lang, siya pinakamalaki pero siya kapitan.
Good.
Laki ng coach nila, no? Si Jeffrey Kembaw.
Better.
Laging maganda uniforme ng AFP.
Best.
Uy, ipit. Si Chicoy Alvarez. Baka ang bigyan ng foul dito ay si Parsha. Tingnan natin.
Talagang masigasig si Colonel maglaro, sir. Talagang may extra workout. At nabalitaan ko, pagkatapos ng unang panalo, nilagnat si sir. sa sobrang asas na pagod. Pero, good pagod.
Saan yung venue ng first game?
Sir, ayan, liwanag. Nova Desi.
Kasi tatanong ko kung malamig yung venue or not.
Napakalamig, sir.
May araw na malamig dun.
Pero alam ko, ang paborito mong venue, sir.
Ano? Ako Arena.
Dito.
Dito, kasi malapit lang bahay. Lalakarin ko to. Pag hindi nakalimutan ko nga yung wallet ko, makita mo, lalakarin ko pa uwi yan.
Sir, ba't mo pa kukunin yung wallet mo? Yung lapit-lapit mo.
Yan, di ba? Pwedeng utangan yung Santo Alantang Plaza. Damantala, pasok, labas si Chicoy Alvarez. Pero ang laki ng pinayat ni Chicoy.
Diba, sir? Marami sa kanila. Si Jepoy Kembaw nga, sir, ang season sa October pa, payat na.
Chino Ramos, pero yan. Di ba dapat retired na yan si Jeff?
Jepoy, sir? Sir.
Sino?
Di ba merong prelude, merong sequel. Ganun din naman si Kapitan Kembaw.
Ganda na set. Yes, 2 in a row from Tulan.
Was that Gurat again with that spectacular back pass earlier? So this is already a 5-1 run here generated by AFP. Oops.
Nawala ang lead sa kamay ng OP.
Nice move.
That's traveling.
Pero
We are down
takbo, sir, no?
Ha?
AFP?
Nasa kondisyon eh.
Uh-huh.
15.4 seconds remaining.
Ayos, sir. Upo ng upo.
Ikaw, nasa kondisyon, tumatakbo ka
Hindi
eh.
ako nakatakbo, sir, dahil sa bagyo eh.
Kahapon ako naka 10,000 steps.
Very good, sir.
Alam mo.
Ano yun, sir? 10K? 8K? Mga ganun, di ba?
6.
That's good, sir.
That's from somewhere out there to somewhere in there, papunta sa mall. In the meantime, pre-throw.
Ayoko na sa mall, sir. Add to cart.
Wag, palatao. May kamay ito. Ha? And when you say that in basketball terms, it means this guy can shoot. Had a three-pointer at the top of the key earlier. Short, however. Pinansin ko kasi. In the meantime, 4 seconds remaining. Down to 1. Will he shoot? Yes, he will, and he will score!
That's good. That's Colonel Parsha. And that's the Cavaliers finishing the quarter.
Look at Gigurat. Look at Gigurat. Look at the clock. And a great ball fake and a left-handed stab brings us to the end of the first quarter at 19-13 in favor of the men from the military. Okay, just about ready to get underway with the second quarter play. We are going to catapult from 1913. The AFP with excellent fast break scoring have a 6-point lead going into this second quarter.
And they ended the first quarter with an 8-2 run to escape from an 11-all standoff and head into the second quarter up by a 2-possession lead.
Ramos missed from the outside. Alvarez collected the board. Here comes Palatao, rejected, and it's on the ground. Gabriel picks it up. Gabriel was early on this court. There's a shot that's blocked and a shot clock violation.
That's a very good idea to not stop playing. Excellent decision coming from the general. Tama ba, sir? Lieutenant General Garland.
Nagay ko. Obedient silang lahat. Ano? Anim ang lamang ng koponan ng Cavaliers. Ito, libre si Ramos. Reed opted to pass. It's an offensive foul against Alvarez.
Lieutenant General Charles Garland. AFP's interior defense holding up after OP was able to take the lead away from them for a brief spell. Ito sa rin isang mahusay. I call him Baby Yami.
Alam mo ito kasi...
Si Eloy Sida, sir.
Oo nga, magaling yan. Alam mo, natutuwa ako kasi wala pang 60. Kasi ang retiring age, 55 eh.
Okay, sir. Binago na eh, di ba, sir?
Ewan ko kung ginawan 60. But alam ko, 55 eh. In the meantime, Palatao, that's short. Sa ibang government service, you go up to 60 eh. Oh, great turn. That'll work for Chicoy Alvarez.
7 for Alvarez. That's 7 of the 15 points coming from Chicoy Alvarez.
Faulty inbound. And we have a missed shot, but a foul is whistled against Dominic Tulen. Go ahead, Rina.
Yes, nakakwentuhan ko nga din before the start of this ball game si Sir Franz Alvarez, who is currently President and CEO of PNOC Oil Exploration. You know, aminado siya na hindi rin siya masyado nakaka-ensayo with the OP team because of tight work schedules and other priorities. He also mentioned that he's eyeing to be back in the House of Representatives by next election. Kung matatandaan nyo, he was also in position for Congress from 2013 to 2022, kung saan naglaro din siya under the House of Representatives nung dating team natin. He said that he wants to run again and serve the people of the 1st District of Palawan Province. Back to you, Sir Sam.
Maraming salamat, Rina. I used to work for the PNOC. They were my
Talaga, sir?
They were my client when I was in advertising and PR. Very fascinating field of work, actually. Chicoy Alvarez misses at close range. Oh, great drive. Will he get the basket? Oh, I thought he released it late, but he'll get free throws after being hammered. Is it Tulen smiling? Is he guilty of the foul?
That's a good matchup underneath between Alvarez and Tulen. Pero si Ramos, na isang speedster din, may tira sa loob. At ang kagandahan dito ay talagang agresibo umatake.
Si Tulen ay guilty of his second foul. So siya ay pinalitan ni Larry Necesitong palitan si Tulen. At alam mo, nakakatuwa ang AFP, no? Kalaki ng kanyang coverage at network. Lagi sila may nakikita malaking tao.
Saka ang daming nasa umbrella nila, di ba, sir?
Sobra. Kasi covers all services, eh.
Correct. Air Force, Navy, ano pa ba, sir? Army.
Navy, Air Force, flying, diving, swimming. Olympics yun. 99, that's Joshua Leon.
Mamaya pa, sir. Mamaya pang schedule mo.
Yan, Carlos Yulo mamaya sa all-around.
Oy, good luck sa ating kababayan.
Oy, ang sikip ng pinagdaanan, nagawa ng paraan ni Chino Ramos.
Skip, jump inside.
Alam mo, na-report din ni Rino kanina kasi ang tanggapan ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas, maraming nahagip eh. Pagcor.
Tama.
Actually, pati ata ang office ni Dickie Bachman, ang
PSC.
yata. And
POC kaya, sir, kanila rin.
dapat
Kasi appointed di ba, sir?
Pero dapat under Department of Energy. Pero private government corporation yun eh.
Ang PNOC, sir?
Ang?
PNOC.
Oo. Kasi yan ang ng dati, pero I think nabenta na nila ang Petron eh.
Wala na, matagal na, sir.
Yeah, they sold it to the San Miguel Group, di ba?
Yes, sir.
In the meantime, here's Young. Oh, he is hammered by Eloisida upon entry. Matapang itong, wala lang sa practice, ano? Yung OP. Pero maalam maglaro eh.
Kulang lang sa tao, sir.
Pwede rin.
Malaking bagay na wala si Bayang kasi yun ang kanilang transition expert eh.
First free throw, very bad miss.
Si Luz ay wala rin. Si Mark Lapid, sir, ay wala rin.
Palaging pero ang galing maglaro ni Mark, di ba?
Galing niya last weekend, sir.
Naglaro
last July 10.
Naglaro si Mark, ha? Pag naglalaro siya, it's good for the OP, actually. In the meantime, it's close. Second quarter, 25-20. 7 minutes and 10 are left to play here. Loisida tries to break down the zone D. Pops, can't deliver. And the rebound is claimed by Young. Young spearheads the fast break. All great drive by Chikoy. There was a foul of that attempt. And Canlas will shoot free throws.
Canlas is a well-known outside sniper, really. Can hurt you from the long ball with his threes, especially from deep corner. But because of probably better preparation has shown us the mobility that he needs to be able to score more. Dead shot ito, sir.
Uy.
Parang si Flamiñano, pero ito, mas nakakalusot
si Flamiñano na Senado.
Correct.
Si attorney. I think we should mention, for the record, nanalo ang kupunan ng Senate by forfeiture over the Department of Foreign Affairs. So we will trust our Facebook account to be able to explain that, and I'm sure the Office of the Commissioner will transmit that clearly to all concerned. In the meantime, we have ang lalim ng bench ng AFP lagi, no?
Sir, mas maraming naglaro ngayon. Although wala si Paul Yamamoto. Pero sa nakikita ko, mas marami ako nakikitang players ngayon para sa kanila.
Canlas. Half step. Layup. Alam mong naglaro dati ito. Time out. Bigla si Jeffrey Cambao. Ang kanilang lamang ay nabawasan. We shall have a return after this. Doon, fake.
Shot fake? Ball fake?
Jump, service fake. Hindi pwede mag-fake ng server.
Pati free throw, hindi pwede, sir.
So, officially 25-23. Though it did look like Jeff Kiambao needed a timeout, honestly. Kasi nawala yung lamang nila eh. Oh, alam ko humingi ng timeout eh. Alam ko humingi ng timeout eh.
Wala po, sir.
Di si wala. Madali akong kausap eh. Ayaw niyo, wag. Di laro. Mabilis matatapos ang first half.
Baka hindi po, sir. Kasi penalty ng AFP.
Ay, isa pa yun. Padami lang pag first quarter pa lang. Uy! Mananatili ang bola dyan. Last touch si Palatao. Inbound. Si Tomas, veterano yan ng ating tournament. Short stop. There's a block from behind. And it'll go the other way.
Better interior defense here para sa OP. Unlike kanina na puro doon ang tikada ng AFP.
Sorry pero lumamang na itong opunan ng OP kanina very briefly nung first quarter. Pero ito'y nawala na rin. Sa umisilip sa loob si Ramos. Canlas. Libre sa kabila. Si Ramos sinalaksak. Sinases ito, walang nagawa. Tabla tayo sa 25. AFP trying to set up here. That won't work. Sam Young outlet pass, lead pass to Canlas, who will miss a close range shot. Ball will go the other direction and Canlas ruining the fact that he missed such an what appeared to be an easy layup.
19:30 nagtapos ang ating unang 10 minuto mula sa panahong iyon. Bago umabot ang halfway mark sa ating second quarter. Mayroon ng 12 puntos dito ang OP. 6 naman para dito sa AFP. So this is already a 6-0 run as they try to get their first or their second taste of the lead after a 9-8 count earlier para sa OP.
Close range of that attempt by Necesito. He was fouled. Sam Young acknowledging.
Nice sounding name, ano sir?
Sam Young. Third game today is SSS against GSIS. That will curl in.
SSS winning over Comelec in their first match. That was the inaugural game that we had, 66-57. Samantalang GSIS dropping that match against Senate last time that we played, just July 17.
Senate determined, kompleto sila. They are the defending champions, of course, of the tournament. Canlas. No. I don't think Senator Sani Angara will be playing anymore kasi nag-resign siya sa Senate.
Naglaro, sir.
Naglaro?
Yes, sir.
Hindi pa siya nagre-resign.
Si Senator Joel ang hindi nakapaglaro.
Hindi pa nagre-resign si Sani at that time. Tingin ko, I'm guessing. We'll ask Sani. If you see him around, we'll let him play. Why not?
A 4-0 counter here for AFP after the scores to the 25.
Alvarez is hammered. Here's Young. Hammered as well. Had no angle. Omalesa. Straight and missed. Pitch. Young. Watching the defense. He'll get it from close range.
What should have been a 6-point lead has been a 4-point swing after that point-blank miss from Homalesa.
Lieutenant General Garland unable to do anything against Young there. 29-27. Our second quarter is down to its last 4 and 13. Tomas shopping around. Necesito. Alam mo itong lugar na ito, dahil ito'y practice venue ng dalawang teams, ng dalawang professional volleyball teams. Lagi sila nakakita dyan sa Santolan Town Plaza. Maraming mabati sa akin dyan.
Tama?
Hi, sir! Hindi naman ako nililibre.
Walang problema.
May problema yun.
Maliit na bagay yan, sir.
Hindi, malaking bagay yun. Kasi pag naiwanan ko wallet ko, may problema. Number 10, Edwin Parcia is back on the floor.
A good Colonel.
Yes, indeed. First free throw bounces in with a gentle trickle in.
A speedy Colonel Parcia. And it's Katwang in the backcourt. Si Gurat.
2 for 2 by Ramos. Ramos has already pocketed 8 points. On the floor is number 87 for the OP. This is Glenn Ocampo. Attorney Glenn Ocampo. Tabla po sa 29. That 3 will not bite. Sam Young collects another board. It's 2 against 3. Sam Young with a crossover. Lost it. Quickly to Alvarez. And the lead now is in the hands again of the OP.
They gave up 4 straight points but took back 6 straight to build their largest lead, which is a 2-point cushion past the halfway mark of this first half.
Sidestep. The attempted pocket pass does not arrive at destination. Homalesa zigzags through the maze. He's in a traffic jam. Ball is lost. Ball play continues. Play should continue even with the 24-second shot clock catching up with the AFP. And I think there's no question that the AFP will need a timeout right now.
Well, definitely. They've given up 6 or 8 straight points to lose a 4-point lead and be down by the largest deficit, which stands at 4 at present.
Maglibre na, sir. Itira na natin, sir. Huwag na natin ipilit sa ilalim. Sumisikip kasi nandun tayo lahat eh. So, sir, nandito tayo lahat eh. Pinapasok natin dito. Hindi natin mapapenetrate yan kasi masikip.
Tayo, sir, nagdadala ng
sir,
sarili natin.
ganun pa rin, sir. Tawag natin ngayon yung special natin, sir. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pagbigay, wala na, sir. Diretso, labas. Okay, dito na kagad, sir. Replace, bigay kagad. Bigay ng ball screen dun sa 3. Labas, tira.
Okay.
Sir, sir, pwede kayong tumira. Okay, sir?
Alam mo, pag ikaw ang coach ng AFP Executives, ang unang linya mo ay,
Sir.
Sir. Dati si Sunny Manopat, mabait, ano? Kahit naman nung sa PNP nung araw, si Bayabaw.
Pero parang prerequisite, sir. Dapat malaki ang katawan ng coach ng AFP.
Yan, kailangan muscular.
Gabariles.
Muscular para pag mag-muscle up, walang kukonto. Penetration, great move on the left-handed step. He gained it back. That won't work. Malapit na mga tira, hindi kulang.
You see the quickness of Colonel Parcia, sir?
Kulang ng, hindi sinalubong ng bola ni Canlas. Masyado siya malalim. Necessito, drops in, elegant shot.
Quick timeout call by Kasim Mirza.
Kasi baka lumaki ito eh. Samantala, ang ganda ng tira na yan. Bang! We will have a break in the action. Back in a moment.
Chikoy, laruin natin yung high post muna. Hanapan
sir,
kita.
Sir, ganito gawin natin. Laruin natin high post, okay? 2-3.
Laruin lang natin
Okay.
high post.
Sir, i-dribble entry mo, sir. I-dribble entry mo dito. Lalabas si Sir Yang dito. Pasa mo dito, sir. High-low ko silang dalawa dito. Pero,
Kirain ko, pag lumapit kay Chikoy na yan.
pero sir, yung defense natin, sir, intense lang tayo. Dumadrive sila.
Drive kick out, drive kick out, drive kick out.
Hindi, pero walang tira sa labas natin.
Wala.
Pag fast break, pag nakita nyo may pantay, antayin nyo, tatawid ako dito para ma-break natin.
Pero kayo dalawa, sir, pag fast break, corner na kayo.
Nagpapatuloy ang executive face-off ng UNTV Sports, ang koponan o ang ating tournament involving our executives, mga bossing. At ang laro ho natin ngayon ay ang OP Executives, Office of the President, laban sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Here's Palatao, who has a decent shot from the outside. Here's Young, shot clock is down to 5. Steps into the play. Canlas launches. Ooh, may foul. Tinawagan.
Akala ko umiwas.
Oo. Foul si Parcia.
Tignan mo, sir, ha?
Tinakpan nung naglalakad na naka-production t-shirt.
Ito po, sir. Ayan.
Kikilitiin ko yun, ha?
Close out siya pero iiwas.
Ayun.
Good sell by Canlas on that
Na walang
deep
foul.
left 3 na may, na kunyari sumabit.
Style yan eh. Style.
5-4 Canlas.
Nagagawa ng paraan yan.
Ramos 8, Young with 8, and then Alvarez with 9.
Ang trick doon, Ronnie, huwag kang aamin.
Automatic.
Automatic. Samantala, 3-6, 3-1.
Big second quarter. 23 in the quarter para dito sa OP after only 13 points in quarter 1. Meanwhile, 12 points naman para dito sa team ng AP so far. So outscored sila halos doble na, sir.
Omalesa shot from afar, no? Alam mo, only one attempt, ha? Ang AFP. Oh, Chico advances with the curl it is.
AFP was stepping on the gas in the first quarter. Right now it's the turn of OP to play with a killer pace. And rim protect as well.
Tres ang tawag. With limited resources, maganda ang ginagawa ng OP dito, ha? They're playing a more cohesive game, actually. Time. 1:36. Palatao. Harsha staying close and bringing it high. Canlas. Palatao. No. Rebound Alvarez. Alvarez trying to curl towards the basket. Sam Young spinning, wheeling and dealing, but
Harsha with
nothing
another
to go.
takeaway.
And here comes the rush by Densing. May foul.
That's 2 free throws coming up.
Parang yung penalty ang ating mga kupunan.
Ang AFP nasa 7 minuto, nasa penalty na. And so far, AFP has given up 19 free throws. And that is where their lead evaporated early in the second quarter. 19 free throws given up. So fouling too much and stopping the pace of the game and turning the ball over as well.
On the floor for the OP is Montano Nazario. First time on the floor. First free throw is hard on the iron.
Baka yung iba kasi, sir, nahuli dumating, ano? Hindi rin madali pumunta rito, sir, ha? Maski nasa gitna siya.
Metric.
Sabi mo na naman, lakarin, sir.
Hindi lang yun. Wala kang kotse, i-jeep mo papuntang San Juan.
Hindi, sir, kasi matraffic yung mga stoplights. Ortigas, Domingo.
Exactly. Alam mo naman ng Green Hills. Ano yan eh? Shibuya ng Pilipinas yan eh.
Favorite ko yan, sir. Yan ako tumatakbo dati, sir.
Tapos yung, sa Green Hills o sa Shibuya?
Hindi ako tumatakbo sa Cebu, sir. Baka magasaan ako dun.
Meron akong paborito restaurant sa kanto ng Shibuya.
Ano, sir?
Ano yan? Parang sushi conveyor belt.
Ay, yung gusto mo na gumagalaw. Ay, hindi pwede sa akin yun, sir.
Bakit?
Mapaplat yun.
Hagip lahat, ano? Uy, ganda ng tira. Hindi lang pumasok ng tira na yan.
May magnet ako, sir.
Kahit hindi mo na tinitignan ang kulay ng plato, ano? Tirang tres. Alam, malakas. Nice rebound.
Quality big, definitely. 8 to emerge as the leading scorer before the quarter is done.
Coming up the mix. Pamming the ball, ha? Hindi na masyadong tinatawa. Oy.
Si Colonel Parsons, sir.
Takbo tayo.
Ano katulin?
Sobrang tulin. May foul sa baba. Pero free throws siya.
Sir, tignan mo yung mga coaches. Si Javier, Winston Serio, si Kiambao. In fact, si Heber dati naglaro si Malacanang, di ba?
Sina.
Wisnuda, saka si Arana.
Kaya pala siya yung itutulog ako. May kumakaway sa harap ko.
Sir, si Moy yun.
Hindi. Wala yung pinapansin niya. Silvio yan.
Kasi hawak na niya yung kanyang 4-liter pineapple juice. Unsweetened.
Kaya gusto niya yung mga venue gaya ng nandito, may Santolang Town Plaza,
yes, sir.
Paco Arena, may 7-Eleven.
Ganyan talaga yan, sir.
Nubadechi, hindi niya gusto. Layo ng mga tindahan.
Sir, nasa tabi lang yun. Paglabas mo, isang dosenang sa.
Pero walang pineapple juice.
Meron doon, sir. Lemonade.
Clock. 20 seconds. Double team. Cross-court pass. Hello.
That's good ball pressure.
Yes, that's the intention.
That has been the ticket of Colonel Pasha to emerge as one of the best or top players for AFP. Defensive energy.
Kasi yun ang objective ng double team. Force them into the sideline. Make a lazy pass.
Oh, nice.
To go astray or can be intercepted. Alvarez with it. The rebound. Not enough time for anything else. But some damage has been done by the OP here in the second quarter.
Right. Even led by as much as 6, but AFP fought back before the half was done. Started the quarter 19-13 in favor of the Cavaliers. In the second quarter, they had 16. Samantala, ang OP naman nagpasabog with 25. This is how we will end, and this is how we are going to begin. Quarter 3 at 38-35 in favor of the office of the president.
Okay, we are just moments away from starting the third quarter. The second quarter found the OP outscoring
70-20, sir. May naglalakad sa court, sir. Eh, sir.
Bago yan.
Technical foul.
Bago yan. Kaya hindi sanay sa movements dito yan.
Sir, nandun sa low, sir.
Pasensya mo na.
Okay, sir.
I was saying.
Nagpapaliwanag lang, sir.
I was saying.
Tama.
Biglang naalala ko si Yoyong Martin.
Anong sabi, sir?
Favorite line niya, nagpapaliwanag lang.
Oh, kaya pala.
Anyway, ang OP outscored the AFP in the second quarter.
Malaki, sir. Malaki. 25 against 16. 19-13 tayo kasi nagsimula.
So, Rina, ano meron?
Yes, it was an aggressive start of the game for both teams. In the dugout of the AFP Cavaliers, Winston Serio led the huddle by mentioning that they're on the right track. Kaya lang masyado silang nagmamadali, especially on the open. They have to play physical here against the OP team and to put a lot of pressure also on their shooters. It's also essential for them to have good shot selections instead of just forcing on their shots. Meanwhile, dito naman sa kupunan ng OP team, it's more about taking care of the ball and communication so as to lessen mishandling and losing the ball. According to Coach Kazim Mirza, it's all about strengthening their interior defense and moving better and faster, especially on this second half. Sir 7, Coach Ron.
Thank you, Rina.
Sir, mahirap yun, sir, ha?
I agree with Winston Serio. Masyadong nagra-rush nga yung mga Coronel at General.
Ang kaibahan dito, sir, last week kasi natastas nila yung kalaban sa ganyang pace. Ito nakakasabay eh. Uy.
Nakakausap natin kanina si Chico Alvarez. Sabi niya, pinalawagan daw niya yung uniforme niya. Hindi ako naniniwala.
Pumayat, sir.
Oo, naman. Laki ng pinayat. Diba, nung nag-uumpisa maglaro yan doon siya, ang laki niya talaga eh. Alam man, kaya namimiss ko ang laro ng basketball yung sunog eh.
Sana nagpapawis tayo kanina, sir.
Hindi na nga ako pwede maglaro nito nga.
Okay, sir. Lakad.
Ang naiinis ako, yung gusto ko pa sana subukan yung paddleball sana.
Hindi pwede rin, sir?
Hindi kasi yung cardio threat, risk yun eh.
Masyadong...
You know me, I'll go for it. I will go for it.
Just there, sir.
I'll never just be there. I'll go for it. 40-35. Look at this. The generals and the colonels trying to get their acto libre siguro. At libre, diretso. Hindi lang pumasok. Rebound si Young. Lumanding ba kay Ramos? Lumanding? O ganda ng counted sana yun, ha?
Tama, sir. Dito mo namimiss si Yamamoto talaga. Walang problema sa transition. Pero maski transition defense ng OP, nag-improve na. Now, the challenge for AFP to score in their half-court execution.
Pero bilib ako sa kondisyon nito mga Colonel. Alam mo kasi, sa mundo ng sundalo AFP, kailangan lahat ng exercise.
Hindi pwedeng wala, di ba, sir?
Hindi pwede, gaya ko, hindi pwede yung laki ko doon sa uniforme, pumuputok yung uniforme. Kailangan gwapo ka doon sa uniforme. Uy.
Noted.
Uy, 40-35. Kasi meron silang parade uniform, meron silang dress uniform, merong daily uniform, may fatigues pa. Ginolba, who started here today, ups the pass, This guy can score.
Yes. It reminds me so much of an Abed Gidabet. Perfect touch, mid-range. Tulin right now.
Yung mga Salford at Abed Gidabet.
Gis na para kay Tulin.
Oh, nearly stolen.
Na si Speedy Gonzalez, Gurat.
Gurat slows it down. Defense assembled in front of him. Bullet pass. Too much traffic. Great block that time. Young has been doing a great job blocking some shots.
Wow.
Eloisida gets it and takes it away. Open shot on its way. Yes, that'll work for Necessito.
They were 1 of 11 prior to that 3-point explosion. Second 3-point basket. Just like that, from a 6-point deficit, it is down to 1 para sa OP.
Alam mo, you look at it objectively. Both teams are so matched against each other.
Totoo yan, sir.
Match na match. Uy, ganda ng tira. Hindi lang bumagsak the last moment for Canlas.
Husay maglaro siya Necessito. May laro, sir. 9 points, 5 rebounds.
Alam mo, nadinig ko yung line na yan. Minsan naglalaro kami sa gym ng Ateneo. Sa Moro Lorenzo. Kay Jamaica rin ko nadinig. Ay nako, Sir Sam, may laro yung kakampi mo. Talaga? Ano ibig sabihin? Yan. Ganda.
Yan ang
may laro.
Yan ang corruption, sir, nung He's Got Game.
Or you got next. Hindi, pero alam mo, no? Ano naman si Jamaica? Parang ikaw, Sir Sam! Conversation, sinisigawan pa rin ako. Parang kasing lakas ng boses ko. Libre, hindi pumasok. Rebound, pinaglalabanan. Grabe to si Young, ha? Young and Alvarez, malakas ang kombinasyon to, ha? Naku, libre, paborito. Ay, atay. Sabi King nga.
One on the left, another on the right. A total of 12 for Tulin.
Para namang sundali yan. The left and the right and the left and the right. 2, 3, 4.
Hop! Hop! Yung ba sinasabi sir?
Yung floor director natin, tulog na.
Kala ko sir, kalahati.
Hindi na tumatawag. Hoy! Hindi na ako. Pinasa ni Palatao. Libre! Ang lakas. Aha.
Whoop!
Ito na, bounce pass.
Whoop!
Bounce pass.
Whoop!
Yep. Ang inangguluhan.
Whoop!
Palsi Young.
Sabi siguro ni Ginalbay, napaka-KJ mo naman, comrade. Libre na. Humarang pa. Pero bola mananatili para sa Cavaliers.
Nag-increase yung pace ng laro, ano? Papursa na yan, ha? Sa AFP, gusto nila yan. Rat.
Nakakasabay ang OP, sir, eh.
Yun lang.
Sam Young is a Yusek. Canlas is an asset.
Pinapakihanap nga, tanong mo ako, Yusek ng ano si Sam Young. Interesting yan, ha?
Yan ba si Rina? Sir, ako na lang muna ang Yusek.
You are useless. Yet you're not a Yusek. You are useless. Wala, malis na ba si Reyna?
Hindi, sir. She just had a lemon time break.
Yeah, she's over there in the corner of the OP asking the question I just asked. That's how reliable she is.
Now
Ramos.
you see her, now you see her.
Corner. Libre. Ganda. Hindi lang pumasok. Takbo. Hello.
Bilis ano sir, no?
Sobra. Hindi puro likod, puro harap ang nakita.
If there's someone who can change the fortune of AP, it has to be Luisida. Out of their top players, he's had a slow start. Although right now he has 6 points and a 3 of 9 clip.
Israel Eliosida, who is a lieutenant colonel.
Meron akong teammate dati sir sa PABL, Manny Eloisida.
I'm familiar in it.
Built like a
little tank.
Yes sir, mga 6'5 yun eh.
A big tank.
Very big.
Gurat. Slows it down. Wisely. Akala
Nice pass.
ko titira. Tira mo na. Kinausap eh.
Sir, ang tawag dyan, spot up. Kumbaga sa bilyar sir, Sargo.
Yun ayoko i-call yung game na. Sa lahat.
Bakit?
Ako enjoy akong panuorin siya. Kasi alam ko mas marami magaling kesa sa akin mag-call mo. Oy, ganda ng move na yan.
Big game for Shanyang.
Ilan libo na yan?
Bibilangin natin sir pagbalik. Shanyang na with a total of 10. Second best behind the 15 of Alvarez. Web Fist has 15 points and 13 rebounds. Sir Shang. Itong si Young, 10 points, 15 rebounds.
Silang dalawa lang na team na eh.
25 points combined and 28 rebounds.
Necessito drops it from 15.
And from the name alone, that sounds like that is a necessary development para sa FP.
47-44 ang ating score. Lamang ng muli ang koponan ng mga military. Ito si Yang. Ito si Yang. Pinasa sa kabila. Ocampo, libre, 3. Hindi lang umabot. Ito si Gurat. Nanggugurat. Slowing it down. Oh, hesitation move. Libre si Tulen. Libre, paborito. Not this time. Rebound. Tinangay sa ilalim. Tinangay naman. Consequently, ni Palatao. 3, 2 on 2. Basketball. Great shot. Ramos kissing it against the backboard. It's a 47-46 affair.
Two of the best conditioned teams I've seen so far. Although we had about a, let me double check this, a break of 11 days prior to the second and third play dates. Dahil na-move nga po yung July 24 play date. September matches na.
Dahil kay Karina.
Tama.
Young. And the lead returns to the office of the president. Watch this breakaway, this bust out of the lead pass at time by Chino Ramos.
Even without Bayang, OP able to stay afloat, relying heavily on Alvarez, Ramos, and of course, itong si Sam Young.
Sir, Gurat, sir.
Dalawa yung bumabantay sa'yo. Balik mo lang sa rin sa kita. Ika. Gusto takot ako.
Ilalim, doon. Lagi tayo natitirahan doon. Yun lang, neutralize natin
Sir,
sila.
ganun pa rin, sir, ha? Ganun pa rin yung ano. Ikot natin yung bola. Huwag natin madaliin. Patience lang muna, sir. Tingnan natin. Pagka may libre, sa labas, tira natin. Sir. Hindi, sir. Sama-sama. Ikaw muna magtira.
Sir, masyado na kalubog yung depensa nila pagka libre kayo. Lubog na lubog. Sir, sino ang bigs natin? Bigs, lubog bigs.
(48-47) ang score natin. Tayo po ay nasa Philoil Eco Oil Center dito sa San Juan sa pagpapatuloy at buti nakatuloy uli ang ating executive face-off dito sa UNTV, ang basketball tournament ng mga bossing, ng mga superiors, mga executives po natin. Hey, bumalik na naman ang AFP sa one shot per visit and there's a rejection. Watch this. Muntik ng libre si Ocampo, but Omalesa says, no way.
And that's what you always want, even if you're outnumbered. Let's double check this dahil nagbababol ang ating...
Okay. Intermittent is the term.
I see. It's a dial-up.
It is not flowing. It's like when your arteries are blocked.
That's not good.
That's not good. Tulan. Aha, he's missed his last two. 2 minutes and 5. Shuffle move. Oh, great basket that time. Chino Ramos finding a way to score.
Chino Ramos earlier had a nice pass. Now Chino Ramos also has 12 points. 15 Alvarez, Chino Ramos with 12. Sean Young also with 12. And those three combining for a total of 39 of the first 50 points for a 3-point lead here for OP. Oh.
Pwede pasa yun, ha? Pero sige na, okay na yan. Pedro Concha decided to take it onto himself, but that's okay. It's a clean attempt. Tomas, naubusan ng pang-Euro. Nagpunta ng Asia. Napunta sa Antarctica. Not traveling.
Truly Asia.
Diba, naipit. Ang ganda ng depensa, kumulaps eh.
Mabilis pa ang paa ni Sean Young, sir. Sam Young.
Sean Young. Saan galing yun?
Kay Jan.
Sean Ko.
Kay Jan.
Naalala mo si Jan Young. Si Sean Ko. Agree, ano? Nag-champion mo.
Champion, sir.
Second, first-time champion.
Talo sa first game. First-time finalists in the brand new UNTV Cup champions. Department of Agriculture.
Pocket pass. Naipit. Traveling din yan. Or 3 seconds. Either that or that.
Some key defensive plays here coming from Malesa.
Yeah, Melencio tying up got caught up there, and he was tied up by the defense. 3-point lead by the Office of the President. Executives. Corner shot. No go. The shot of Joshua Leones didn't find the mark. Here's Ramos. Great pass downstairs. He goes to Canlas. Misses. Ramos stretches for it. Saves it.
Ang bilis kumilos na Ramos.
Concha. Yeah, he got it.
Nothing from the short corner. Something from the right wing. And just like that, after being behind by 5, up by 5, late here in quarter 3.
Yung sinasabi mong nasukat na eh. Uy, pwede ng diretso yan.
What was that call? Really?
Valid. Kasi he was still, nung palang pinasa, nag-umpisa na yung counter. Nung naitira was the 3rd second. I think. And let's grant that. 52-47. The 3-second count does not stop once an attempt, once the pass is made. In the meantime, paborito kong tawag yan nung nag-i-re-refer ako sa intram.
Bakit naman, sir?
Madaling di tawag eh. 1,001, 1,000. Oh! Turnaround shot! Ocampo finding a way to add on. Ocampo with 4 points. Omalesa going nowhere. And this is the biggest lead of the OP so far.
Down 5, up 7. And that's a 12-point turnaround. Biggest lead? You're correct, sir. OP losing traction as OP came up with its 2nd win. And right now, heading to the last 10 minutes, OP looking good. OP looking to recoup.
Okay, final quarter na. Nice, quick chat with Young here, yung binansagan mong Sean Young. He's I know Rina might report on this as well. Nauna lang ako, no? He's USEC for housing. Rina, ikaw na muna.
Ito nga ang kupunan ng OP team, walang ensayo but they're moving as one here thanks to the coaching style of 2 former USC Tigers, Kasim Mirza and Oscar Crisostomo. The 2 have been personally handpicked by their boss USEC Adrian Bersamin after Coach Mike Jimenez now retired from the team. Their style is more of a collegiate setup, more on being fast and aggressive on the court, and they're always on the lookout to attack here. It took a while for the players to adjust dahil talagang sumasakit daw talaga yung katawan nila with the drills and practices given by these 2 young coaches, but the response is very welcoming dahil matagal-tagal na rin inaasam ng OP team na maging kampiyon dito sa ating EFO Games. Sir 7, Coach Ronnie.
Great story, Rina, and it shows in their game as this shot will work at close range for Parsha. The score is 54-49. The OP is not yet out of the fire. Humalesa with a near steal. Couldn't complete it. It bounces out. Chicoy Alvarez is back in, so is Palatao. They got Max. The coach of OP has gotten maximum dividends from this very short lineup. Huh?
Kasi matutulin, sir.
At si Sam, nung lumapit sa atin, mukhang kondisyon eh, no? Saka mukhang naglalaro eh.
Kasi kung hindi kondisyon, sir, hindi nakangiti eh.
Nakatukod?
Oo, diba? Nakikipagkwentuhan pa, sir.
Yun hindi mo makikita sa volleyball player, yung tukod.
Bakit, sir?
Ang volleyball player, pabaliktad. Reverse. Masakit ang back, lower back. Tuhod. Ako, tres yun. Official na tawag yun. Tres. Now, if you're the OP, you gotta not play like you have such a big lead. You have to be more prudent here. Itong AFP, they're loaded, ha? Naku, muntik nang lumampas yung pasa. Near steal. We have a jump. No. It's out on the base, on the sideline. We have a possession arrow in our tournament. Parsha. Here's Gurat. The 1-2 speedsters are on the floor for the AFP. Homalesa can't make it drop. And it's taken away by Alvarez. Takbo! Doon na sa baba si Carlas. Carlas is fouled by Gurat. Is he fouled? No, he's not. It's going to be a lost possession, empty possession para sa OP. Gurat, Homalesa tries again. Now he got it. That's needed right now as they come within 2.
As they say, right here, right now, nothing less. Looking for something more after being outscored late in the third.
Now fouled from behind by Homalesa. That 7-point lead didn't last very long. First team foul whistled against the OP.
You only play a total of 9 games straight to the Final Four for the top 4 teams. So you have a twice to beat edge heading into the Final Four, meaning teams are pining for a top 2 spot this early.
Ako, may foul. May foul sa baba. Homalesa guilty of it. They call it a foul. So it's a 2-point game pa rin. Palatao wiggles open. Pulls up from 15. Got it! Smooth move, no?
Had one earlier on the opposite rim. Now, yes sir, definitely very smooth. Per turn.
Sabi ng mga NBA announcer, from the elbow. From the kili-kili up.
Sabi naman ng mga Pinoy.
Bullet pass. Isas ito. Parsha.
You saw it.
Edwin drops it.
You saw it. Straight as an arrow. And just like that, beating down the necks of the office of the president, courtesy of Colonel Parsha, who now has a total of 8 points on 2 made 3-point baskets.
1-point game. Corner shot. High looper just didn't hit the mark for Ocampo. And the ball will be retained by the OP. There'll be a baseline inbound. The shot clock will read 12. Palatao shakes free, tries to drive hard. Doesn't get a foul. Here's the push, 2-on-2 basketball. Libre, Parsha.
There you go. Told you about Gurat and Parsha, the 2 hound dogs with big defensive intensity impacted sa kanilang unang panalo, but this time it's their combination once again and an offensive explosion for a 2-point lead early here in the fourth.
2 threes. That's a wild shot out the basket. It's down on the floor being grappled and fought forward. The ball will go the other way. Bilis na wala ng lead ng OP. Changes in the lineup. This is Ramos who will return, pulling out Ocampo and the OP roster. Gurat will bring it up slowly. Decided to rush it because of the 8-second rule. To the corner, Homalesa free for another 3. Not this time. Shove off. It won't stay in. And
nobody home. Nobody home.
Got that way with that. There's a... Masyado maingat. Chino mad with himself. He babied it.
It happens.
He cradled it. Was very sure about the close range shot, but that moment of hesitation creates the miss. The first free throw does not work. second free throw. Dribbles in. Change in the roster. Gurat is given a rest right now. Ramil Dancing, a commander. Malamang Navy ito, commander. Libre. No, doesn't try to go for it. Dancing just an inch short. Here comes the push by Palatao. 4-on-3 basketball. Palatao launches inside. That will work, and Ramos will revisit the free throw line.
One of two earlier, 50%. 15 and 19 for Alvarez. Sam Young, 12 and 17. Ramos, 13, 5, 2 and 1. But only 5 of 10 from the line. Make that 5 of 11 as they have shot 24 times from the free throw line. They have missed 10 for under 60%. AP controlling the assists department. OPPMS advantage in the rebounding comparison.
Warning or technical? Forthcoming.
That is third.
And a technical foul is considered a personal foul. It's going to be free throws coming up for Homalesa. .57 affair here. Fourth quarter, 5.5 remaining. Homalesa, no hesitation. Bounces hard off the glass. Palatao slowly into his front court. Crisscrosses. Didn't get the basket, but will shoot free throws.
This is the problem right now for AFP. Very early over the limit.
Oo, sakit nila yan through the years. Because minsan yung depensa nila is a foul. Carlo Palatao hands the first. It's a 1-point game. Second is an air ball. Still a 1-point game. Then Singh, Barcia, who hit 2 threes from that sector earlier. Necesito, to the side we go, too strong. Claimed now by Young, this pass nearly taken away. Palatao hesitates, crisscrosses, zigzags, can't get the bucket. And there's a foul against the AFP.
By Homalesa once again. Homalesa definitely must be in foul trouble, now has 4. And a lot of those fouls came here in the fourth, including that taunting foul earlier called it, or taunting violation called against him.
I remember Homalesa last year. He got into a teasing, taunting match with the PNP. In the meantime, Homalesa will sit down. 59-58 is the count. Alvarez with a chance to tie and possibly give them the lead, but he misses the free throw with an offline attempt. Misses both free throws, and the ball will stay there. After the rebound was not controlled at the baseline by Necesito. We have a timeout, and we'll be right back.
Sir, Simple lang. Sir, ikaw mag-inbound. Inbound. Yusek. Chino. Yusek. Jomar. Sir Chikoy and Sir Lau. First play natin pagkakuha. Sir, tayo ka lang dito. Sir, takbo ka dito. Takbo ka. Second natin, Chino, umiscreen ka dito kay Sir Chikoy. Labas. Screen dito. Pero ang sittingan ni Sir BJ is yung cut dito. Again. Play. Inbound. Yusek Jomar. Takbo. Screen dito. Pag meron, pasa. Pag wala, pasa dito. Ito, susunod dito, trailer.
The time remaining is 4 minutes and 54 seconds in the payoff period. And still to come later on, SSS plays the GSIS as the executive face-off. Our tournament for the leaders, the executives, rolls along, managing to resume after being called off our games last week due to the typhoon Karina. Here's Young, crossover. Young penetrates, breaks down the defense, but there's no angle. Ball will go the other way as it's outside.
Alam mo sir, right idea siya eh. Kasi kanina pa sundot, palo. Ditong AFP sa loob. Kaya chance sana makapunta sa free throw. Pero it was not consummated. But they are right now still behind by 1 here. Past the halfway mark sa ating huling quarter.
Corner. That short corner is no longer a friend of the AFP, at least for now. Palatao.
Oh,
travel. Sayang.
That's good defense for fencing, sir.
Yung ano, alam mo, yung what the defense created was that moment of hesitation, whether he would gather or go for the shot. I think that's Tulen. And when the big boys fall, it's usually extremely painful. But he shakes it off. Pag. Sounds better in Filipino. Pag. Watch this. This is what happened. Boom! Alam mo yung mga at a certain age ay mga untog, bagsak. Kaya ikaw, pagigising ka sa umaga sa shake it off muna.
Ako po sir dati, basta makastretch lang ako sa umaga.
Ayos yun, dapat yun.
Kailangan lang makastretch ako para makuha ko yung balance. Hanggang ngayon sir.
Ako, count to 20.
Oh!
Hindi na ako. Kanlas, abutin!
That's good defense. That's good defense for OP.
And I like that the shot clock continued kasi walang clear change of possession.
Tama, sir.
Alam mo, bawat sport may kanya-kanyang nuances. Naku! Pasa intended for Young, never arrived. Hesitation. Then say, no, that won't work.
Ang bigat nung
Eloisida.
Young sa loob.
Yeah. He's nearly stolen from behind by Eloisida. And last, malakas lang. 1 point game.
Ang nakakatuwa rito, sir, maski sa dulo, ratratan pa rin.
Oo. Parang round 11 ng boxing.
Touch glove, sir.
Sayang si Yumer Marcial.
Ano nangyari, sir?
Talo siya, unanimous decision.
Ilan na lang ang natira? Petesio,
Villegas, Bahalam.
Carlo pa.
At saka yung isa pang woman. Go! Pangatlo!
Did you see that?
I did.
Again, and again.
Edwin Parson.
And the stop. And the stop by Parson. Whoa. Look at this sequence. Had a 3-ball on the opposite end. And then forcing that offensive foul. Our shot right now. Total of 14. All 4 made 3-point baskets.
Dos lang ito. Akala mo, ang laking lamang. Takbo nito ng laro na ito. Hindi ko masabing game of the generals eh. Ang laki, Ronnie, laki ng retirement ng colonel sa military.
What do you mean, sir?
Malaki ang retirement pagka, let's say, hindi ka umabot ng general. Ang laki ng retirement mo pa rin. Benefits.
Bakit sa aming mga gwardiya, general ang tawag, pero walang benefits?
Wala. Kamots. Court general, ano? Wala.
Eh, kung alam ko lang, sir, dati, convert to cash. Both teams in penalty.
Ayan, free throw journey tayo in the last 254.
254.
Free throw number 1. Necessito. Good shooting hands.
11 and 8. Tulen, 10 and 12. But Parsha, 14 points on 4 make triples on a 57% clip. Good asset itong si Necessito. Love the name.
Muy importante. Necessito.
Si, senor.
Here's Palatao. 4-point game. FP in the lead. Young. Curling. Foul on Tulen. He hooked him. Big man foul. We have Ocampo returning, giving Canlas a breather here. Oh boy, very tight free throw. Second air ball by Young. He's smiling. Pilit ng ngiti na. Eto, short na short. Lambot ng tira niya kaya nasa short eh. 2.5 to go.
They've missed 16 free throws.
Out of
31 attempts. Have made 15 only.
Kalahati.
Samantalang AP, 7 of 9.
Not this time. Malesa battles, but Alvarez grabs it.
Look at the effort of Gurat.
Palatao. Oh, good move.
Woo! Wrap around, spectacular. Virtuoso play, down 2 during a 2-minute mark, final quarter.
From the side.
Nice pass.
Tulen. Naku, malakas. Alvarez blocks it. We have a 2-point affair. Ramos fouled upon entry with shoot free throws. He could tie this up.
Too much fouling. Imagine had OP not missed this much free throws.
They would still be in the lead.
Already. This is a photo finish. Down the wire.
Chino Ramos checks the scoreboard.
Gaganda ng mga tunog ng mga pangalan nila.
Socially.
Sam Young. Chikoy Alvarez.
Mga pogi.
Chino Ramos. Sa akin, nasira sir eh. Manok. Sir, nakita ko na yung pineapple juice sir. Buo na araw ko. Ayun no. 1-point lead para sa AFP.
Oh, Malesa in traffic. Misses. Tulen. Yes! Big shot.
Big shot. Wow. Smooth as silk for Tulen. 14 points. 12 rebounds.
We will be back with more EFO basketball from UNTV after this.
Week 2. Chino. Ang gawin natin, gato. Chino, bring back the bola baba. Okay. Sige. Si Sir Yusek BJ, dadalhin. Sir, ang gagawin natin, Chino, ikaw dito. Si Sir Yang, pati si Sir Chikoy. Dadalhin ni Yusek BJ dito yung bola. Gawin natin, pagkapasa sa'yo, face basket, sisil yung dalawa dito. Or pag walang option, pasa kay Sir Yusek BJ sa poste, cut ka, sisil dito si Sir Chikoy dito, si Sir Yusek BJ shoot dito 3 points.
Guys, quick 2 muna tayo, then stop tayo. Matagal pa yan.
Pare,
may time out pa tayo.
Ang problema naman din kasi sa kabila, Sir Chikoy, si Yusek, kay Isaac, kay Isaac.
Sir, madali yan.
Paano naging madali yun?
U. A. UAAP.
Matagal pa yan.
Ito talaga si Rina, sir. Puro kalokohan eh.
Si Rina. Yan mo siya. Yan ang tawang pilit niya. Nakita ko na yan.
Kasi sir, pag di siya tunga, maubo siya.
Yes, Palatao. BJ's attack. The drop to Chicon. Here's Ocampo. If that went in, it would have been... they call it... But they call it as a 24.
Tawag foul, sir.
Ito. Rebound. Yung rebound. Kung pumasok yun, counted yun.
Yan, sir. Okay, foul. Malesa, so far in this match, 8 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists. Ganda ng laban, sir. These are 2 top contenders, maituturo.
Baka nga sila yung umabot all the way, ano ha? Last year's finals was the Senate against the AFP. Yes?
PNP, sir. No?
Now,
AFP
against the Senate. Check mo.
I will.
I am sure about that. Because I know the PNP got eliminated.
PNP, sir. Senate beat PNP 81-7.
Natalo ang AFP sa PNP sa semis. Tama ka. You're right.
Season MVP Joel Denes.
That's why we work in Bears. In the meantime, nahihilo ako sa tao.
Look at Bob Kusi.
What are you doing, ha?
That's Bob Kusi Gurat. BCG.
Mga hindi umabot kay Bob Kusi, pakit YouTube ko. In the meantime, Chico.
Anito foul. One home.
40 seconds.
And another missed layup.
Chino missing 2 important layups.
That's a foul?
Hindi ata.
Nakita mo, foul, sir, ang tinawag.
Ayan, may foul.
Nakita mo naman, sir, hindi BGC, BCG. Bob Kusi Gurat. Hindi mo pwedeng ipinyon sa grab, sir.
Nahalata tayo, generational talents tayo.
Bakit, sir?
Bob Kusi yung binabanggit mo.
Sir, nabasa ko lang.
Oo naman. Sasabihin ng iba naman, si Jason Williams. Iba naman, sasabihin si Pete Maravich. Allen Iverson.
Terence Romeo na lang, sir. Big free throw converted. Timeouts left. Walang nakalagay, ano, sir, no?
Nandali yan, sisigaw tayo pagkatapos ito. Na-timeout naman sigurado yung mga yun.
Ako, sa play.
Hala.
You have to give up that ball. Oh, that's a foul?
Hindi ka referee. Ganun lang yun. Nagko-commissioner ka, pero hindi ka referee.
Come on, sir.
Yeah, that's why. That's why I wait for the foul to be called. So I can sleep well tonight.
You will not sleep, sir. You will work.
Yeah, don't. Taloyolo will keep me up tonight.
Three straight free throws missed.
Ito pang insurance kung sakali. Lakas. Rebound. Ramos. Muntik mawala. Chino has a problem. Palatao got it. BJ. Tap from behind by Tulen.
Now Malesa has to give up that basketball now. Finally he does.
But he wants it.
Because he hasn't been making his free throws.
And Young giving up that foul.
Let's see if he makes 1 or 2.
Alam mo, if there is a reason why possibly the OP will lose this, they only have to look at the 15-foot line.
Exactly.
Timeout taken. We'll be right back.
Sir, safety na kayong dalawa. Dito na kaagad. Okay, sir? Sir, pilitin natin. Taas na natin. Huwag natin itulak, ha? Huwag tayo rebound or tapik na lang. Okay, sir? Okay, sir. Take time, sir. Dito na. Sir, kunin muna natin, sir, bago, sir.
antimano. Ito na sir yung pinaka-last part natin na dumipensa na maayos. Depensa tayo na maayos, sir.
Winner goes up to 2-0. Loser drops to 1-1.
Not bad.
19 play dates, 50 games for the third edition of the AFO.
First champion, this I'm sure, judiciary.
Judiciary, correct, sir.
Kasi natatandaan ko ang gusto nilang batiin. Si Midas Marquez.
Ang kamador ng judiciary.
He had no idea. He had close to 30 points in that night in Araneta.
Sir Romalesa knocks in his first. Completes.
You know, it's when you deliver the free throws.
True.
It's when you deliver
And that's why I did not want to give him that basketball. He wanted another chance, and he got another chance. Pushes them 4 points clear after making 2 free throws. Under 12 seconds left here in the final.
Dahil sa Batano.
Ito mag-inbound. Sir Chikoy, Chino. Sir, gawin natin is screen dito kayo, sir. Punta kayo. Pag merong pasa. Pero ito hanapin natin. Elevator natin to.
Sino to?
Si Sir BJ.
Ito.
Glenn. Ikaw?
Ako yung corner. Ito
si Jomar. Sir, ikaw? Sir Chikoy? Sir, una muna natin, takbo. Next natin, pag mayroong pasa 3 points, pag wala, elevator tayo. Okay. Sir Jomar. Hindi, ikaw lalabas. Ikaw titira.
Ayun. Yan ang dalhin mo next week.
Ano po, sir?
Pineapple juice. Year's supply. Para lang dyan sa tao.
From bukid nun, sir?
Yeah. Oh, play. Naku, sayang offline.
They went for the home run. Missed 18 free throws today.
Ako yung, diba, no blaming. Yung layup kanina ni Chino Ramos, critical din yan eh. Tapos, they had the lead going into the final quarter. In the meantime, Romalesa, oh boy, delivers some crucial
1 of 5
free throws.
Missed 4 straight free throws, has knocked in his last 3. 11 points, 10 rebounds.
Because, you know, your concentration improves. Although that is a miss, and probably that's all we need. Here's a final 3-point shot. Okay, that'll do it. It's a second straight win by the AFP Cavaliers at the expense of the OP Executives. Good game. There are, sino ang best players natin kung dalawa man o isa man?
Unang-una, sir, yung double-double na big man nila na gumawa ng double-double na si Tulen with 12 points and 15 rebounds. And of course, the other one, the knockdown 3-point shooter, the speedster, Colonel Pasha, who erupted for 14 points on a 4 of 9 clip from the 3-point.
Wow, what a game. Para silang magsanok paras combination.
Ay, sir!
Diba? Tingnan mo.
Sir, yes, sir.
Mas gwapo lang sila kay
Malayo.
Mas gwapo lang sila.
Ito mga
kaysa kay
bayani,
magsanok at saka para. So, ito mga to may silbi.